Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, and don't forget to comment.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
These are before and after applying this preset. Now add your photos to Lightroom and follow these steps. Select Lights panel. Change the exposure to -0.79. Now contrast to 21. Then change highlights to 65. Shadows to -5. Reduce whites to -100 and blacks to -16. Select Tone Curve and follow my steps. Go to Colors panel. Then Temperature to 19. Tint to 3. Vibrance to -25. Now go to Color Mix. On Red, change Saturation to -40. Luminance -19. Now on Orange Hue to -5. Saturation to 7 and luminance to 19. On Yellow, change saturation to -100. On Green, take Hue and Saturation to -100, then change Luminance to -6. Now on Aqua, Blue, Purple and Magenta, take Saturation to -100. Select Effects panel. Take Clarity to 73. Now Vignette to -7. Select Split Tone. Select Details panel. Sharpening to 29. Noise reduction to 14. Color noise reduction to 20. Now copy your settings to all your photos, and remember to adjust the whites, shadow, and highlights a bit high if your photos are dark. If you don't want to waste your time, download the free DNG, link in description. Thank you.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.